that there. Cameo.
Where you come from? Croydon?
Yeah, Croydon. So there it is. We're going to do an unboxing of this. We finally got it. The reason why we got this one because I noticed when I was out on the field with all the other RC lot, I got a fly sky. I noticed I was losing range. I was losing signal. And the kill switch kept cutting in. And a few of the guys were saying they were having the same issue. So they switched over to Futaba. And a lot of those guys use Futaba now. And they all say Futaba doesn't give them no issues. And they all say the range on Futaba is a longer range as well. They all say. Don't you see that? That's how much I paid for it there. Actually, no, I made a mistake. I didn't pay that for it. I paid $186.99. Because first year, what I done was because I went in Google, typed this in, and West London Models was actually the cheapest shop that had this. So that's the reason why I went down there. I'm surprised, man. A lot of these, I'm surprised by that. A lot of these little model shops, usually they cost a lot more than all these other online-based shops. So I thought I'd take a trip down there. First time going down there, you know, West London Models. Yeah, the guy's quite helpful down there. So let's get this open up now. Even though most of us buy these parts online now, it's just nice to go to a shop for a change and have a chat to people in there. Because while I was in the shop, there was a guy in there being served. So I got to chat to this guy in the shop for a bit. I think I was in there for about 25 minutes, just chatting to him after, and the owner as well. Because I think the owner was at the back doing something, and he kept on saying, "Yeah, man, sorry for the long wait, mate. Sorry for the long wait." I said, "Don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about it. There's no rush. It's the weekend, and there is no rush." And I was just amazed, man. Just nice to go to the hobby shop and just look around. Look at the planes in there and the trains and all the other stuff they got in there. Right, so there is the manual. So there's the receiver. There is the handset, the controller. What else have we got in there? What's that? That's a screwdriver in there. Let me try and focus with this camera. That's what you get in there. You get a flat screwdriver and 2 Allen keys. So there's the receiver. You know, I'm going to change lens so I can zoom in. Let me get my other lens. Alright, there it is. It's a bit better now, isn't it? So that's the receiver we got. 4 channel. Let's show you the handset now. So here's the handset. There we go, there's the star of the show, there it is. So we got some kind of COM port there. Don't know what that is for. Got read instructions. We got a charging port there. I'm not going to be using that obviously, because I'm going to be putting the LiPo on it, or a LiPo, or a LiFi battery. What's that there? Oh, that's for the memory card, I think. There it is. See how there? That pulls out. So I can put plug a LiPo into it. Alright, let's try and find the LiPo to put on this thing. Alright, so we've got a LiPo, I had one spare, but what I done was I had to make a cable for it, because it had this, they call it a JTS connector on it, whereas in here it uses the Futaba connection. So we just soldered up a cable with a female end on the end of it. Yeah, you know, as it's my birthday, I thought I'd treat myself, you know. This is my birthday. This is like a birthday present to myself, really. So this is the LiPo you were using there. Well, I know some people use LiPo, some use what's the other one? Some people use LiFi as well. But because LiFi, I think that they're 6.6 volt. But that's what I had spare. The LiFi one that I got is a bit too big. Let me show you. With the LiFi one, it's not gonna quite fit in there, as you can see. It's a bit tight, just about. We're gonna just tuck these in there and put the cover on. Yeah, I guess I could have made the cable a bit shorter. I guess that's what I'll have to do in the future. Did I even plug it in? Let me check. Yeah, I could have made those cables a bit shorter. I'll do that another time, I'll make them a bit shorter. There we go. There we go. 8.3 volts. Right, that's it for this video. I'm gonna have to read the manual and work this thing out. Alright, over and out.